In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach your Vantagefx account to Mt4. Whether you're just starting out in the trading world or looking to refine your skills, today's tutorial will guide you through the simple process of linking these two platforms seamlessly. First things first, you need to have either a live or a demo account with Vantagefx. If you haven't set this up yet, you'll want to head over to Vantagefx's website and complete the registration process. Once your account is active, you should receive vital information in your email, specifically your Mt4 account credentials. These include your login ID, which is essentially your account number, a password, and the name of the server you'll be connecting to. This server name may look something like Vantage International Live or Vantage International Demo, depending on your account type. Next, it's time to move on to downloading and installing the Mt4 software. You can get this from the official Vantagefx website or directly from the Mt4 official site. Simply locate the download link and follow the installation instructions, which should be straightforward. Once Mt4 is installed on your PC, go ahead and open up the program. You'll be greeted with the Mt4 interface, which acts as your trading workstation. With the platform open, navigate to the File menu in the top left corner. From the drop-down, you'll see the option Login to Trade Account. Clicking on this will prompt you for your account details. This is where the information from your email comes into play. For the login ID, enter your Vantagefx Mt4 account number. Next is the password, which should correspond exactly with what you received in your email. Ensure there are no mistakes, as it is case sensitive. The third piece of information you'll need to enter is the server name. Here you'll want to be precise, selecting the exact server name mentioned in your email for your specific account type. If everything is entered accurately, you should then click on the login button at the bottom of the window. And that's it. If all the details are correct, your Mt4 platform should connect to your Vantagefx account and you're all set to begin trading. As you get familiar with navigating the Mt4 environment, remember it's a powerful tool loaded with features to aid in technical analysis and trade execution. This setup process is fundamental yet crucial in laying the groundwork for your trading activities. Having your accounts linked correctly ensures that your trades are executed efficiently and that your trading interface is synchronized with the live market data. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insightful videos like this one. Happy trading!